Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood: waxing for sensitive areas. Many people shy away from this hair removal method, but with the right techniques, it can be a smooth and pain-free experience. So let's get started with episode 14, waxing for sensitive areas. Expert techniques for smooth, pain-free results. First things first, it's essential to choose the right wax for your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a gentler formula that won't cause irritation. Next, it's all about the technique. Make sure you're using a fresh wax and applying it evenly. Avoid going over the same area multiple times, as this can cause discomfort. When it's time to remove the wax, use a quick, firm motion to avoid pulling the skin. Now let's talk about aftercare. After waxing, your skin might be a little red, but it should return to its normal color within a few hours. If you experience any pain, it's best to apply a soothing aloe vera gel. Remember, waxing can cause your hair to grow back thicker and darker, but this is a temporary effect. And that's it for today's episode. We hope you found these expert techniques helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.